Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Shopify. As in our previous video, we promised you we'll make a tutorial video of how to create Shopify store. So first, we bring the video of how to create Shopify account. So it's time to unlock your new quality. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. So firstly, open your Chrome or any browser you use, and now search for Shopify. And now we're in Shopify. Now you have to enter the email address of your Google account. And now click on Start Free Tutorial. If you're new on dropshipping, click on I'm just starting, or if you have any experience of dropshipping, you can select I am already selling option. You can also skip this part if you want. So now click on Next. Now here are the few options. If you're making online store, click on an online store. Anyways, you can also skip this part. It's not necessary. Same here, let's also skip this part. Now you have to select your country from where you belong. Now we have to create a Shopify account. You can sign up from different methods here. Or if you have already account, click on Login button. I already have an account, so I'm logging in. Now it'll take a little bit time to sign up. And here we go. Now our Shopify account is ready. And now our next step is to create a Shopify store. So I'll teach you how to create Shopify store in my next video. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. And also don't hesitate to ask any question. Feel free to ask in the comment section. Until next time, take care.